Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about raw queries in Laravel. So that how can we write our own raw queries and select or delete or update database records. So let's start. So first of all, open this web.php route file, and here we will write our queries. So let's say if I want to get the list of users, so $users and db. So we will use this db password and select. So when we select the data, we will use the select, and here we will write our query. So select all from users. And now let's return it. So return $users. And now let's refresh the page, so it will give us the users. And you can see we have a user here. So we have only one user because we have only one user here in the database. Now let's get the list of posts. So how can we do that? So comment this, and here we will write $post and db, and you have to insert this db password. So either right click and import or just write here this on the top of the file. So $post db and select post. So select all from post, and now let's refresh the page. So here we need to return it. So return $post and refresh again, and you can see the list of post. So we have two records, post 1 and post 2 with id 1 and id 2. And here you can see in the post table we have two posts. So now how can we provide the condition? For example, here select all from post where the id is 1. So how can we do that? So it will give us the post with the id 1. So you can see the post with the id 1. And now let's change this to 2. So we will get the post with id 2. If I change it to 3, so we don't have any post with the id 3, and here we will see nothing because we don't have any record with the id 3. Here we can say give us the post where the user id is a specific user id. So let's say in this case give us all of the post where the user id is 3. So we will get nothing because we don't have any record with the user id 3. So now let's change that to 1 because we have two posts with the id 1. And now let's refresh it again, and here you can see two posts with the user id 1. So in this way you can provide condition as well. So now let's post comment these, and how can we insert data through raw queries? So $post, and here we will write db, and instead of select we will write insert. So when we were selecting something we said select and then we wrote our query, but here we are inserting, so we will write insert. So db insert, and here we will write insert into post, so the name of the table, and then the columns. So we have these columns, so titles like category, user, and body. So we will write here So insert into post, put title, then we have slug, and then we have category ID, then we have user ID, and then we have body of the post. And now we need the values. So here I will write values, and we need to pass the values. So for the title, let's say raw query. And for the post slug, we will write raw underscore query underscore test. And for the category, I will say, let's say one. We have no category, but I will say one. And for the user ID, I will say one as well. And for the body, so I will write raw query body test. Now we need to close it. So we closed one, and here we have some error. So insert. Let's change this to this. So now the error is gone because we are using the strings. So for the strings we are using these single quotes. So we need to write double quotes outside, or you can reverse use it as well. So now let's check it again. So I hope we have successfully created a record, but we haven't returned anything. So now let's check it. And here you can see raw query test. So we successfully created the post. So now let's comment this. So how can we update this post that we just created? So $post is equal to db, and here we will write update and update post set title is equal to updated title, and that's it. And here we will write where the id is equal to 5. So the id of this post is 5. So we will say update the title where the id is 5. And now close it, and here we will return the post. Return $post, and now let's refresh. So we have an error, base table are view not found. So this is the post, not post. So, so this is post table with s, not the singular. So now let's refresh again, and one row has been affected. And now let's check. So updated title. So we have successfully updated this record. Now let's comment this. Now let's delete this. So how can we do that? So $post is equal to db and delete. So for the delete we will write delete. So delete from post where the id is 5. So we will delete this and $post and return it. So return, but you need to be careful. If you don't write this condition correctly, you can delete all of the records. So now let's do this. So you will delete the record which ID is 5. So now let's refresh. So one row has been affected, and now let's check it again. This should be deleted. So you can see this record is not here anymore. So we have successfully deleted the record. So in this way you can use raw queries and Laravel. And that's all for this video now, and see you in the next video.